Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix Winload.efi is missing or contains errors message in Windows 11, 10. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type /fix mbr. Type /fix boot. If any error, use bootsex /nt60 sys. Type /fix boot. Type /rebuild bcd. Total identified Windows installation is 0. Type disk part. Type list volume. Select system volume. Type select volume 2. Type assign letter equal to n. Type exit. Type ntoskrnl. cd efi cd Microsoft. cd boot. Type attrib bcd -h -r -s. Type ren bcd bcd.tem. Type /rebuild bcd. Type A. Type sfc /scano /off boot equal to c colon / off winder equal to c colon /Windows. bcd boot space c colan / windows space /s space n colan space /f space all. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.